It's this amazing fruity goodness that really can have so many different flavors and textures to it, and done the right way at the right percentage can be an absolutely amazing treat. My name is Carolina Quijano. I'm the owner of Exquisito Chocolates, and we're a bean-to-bar chocolate factory in Miami. And basically means we're kind of masochistic chocolatiers. We actually self-produce all the chocolate that's used in every single piece of items that we make, straight from the cocoa bean all the way through. For me, it was very important to own the process from start to finish, because that way I was able to experiment with different roasting profiles and different flavors that the chocolate ultimately tastes like. And the other piece was to be able to really have a direct source model with farms, where I was able to know that I was using a chocolate that actually paid farmers an above market price for their work. For me, chocolate is a very happy memory. It's very reminiscent of my childhood, and it's something that should be enjoyed and a pleasant thing. And the reality is, because of how monopolized the cacao and chocolate industry has been, it's just really held down a lot of the farmers that actually grow the cacao to be used in the end product, which means that you do have a lot of issues, much like in diamond industry, with child labor issues and farmers being paid unsustainable wages that really don't lead to a good quality of life. You're really starting to see, much like with craft beer, like a total revolution in a lot of small producers being able to disrupt and challenge the industry itself. There's obviously a lot of challenges in terms of there's no equipment for small producers, and it's also a very expensive business to get into because of the different logistical items and our ingredients coming from afar. So there's a lot of challenges ahead, but there's a lot of exciting things coming out, and a lot of people such as myself really challenging and trying to move forward a static industry.
Your Story segments brought to you in part by the Brunetti Foundation.